If you're choosing between LuxAlgo Premium and Ultimate, this isn't just plan versus plan. It's trading indicators versus AI power strategy building. So which plan is actually better? Let's break it down. The Premium plan focuses on trading view tools. You get price action concepts, signals and overlays, oscillator matrix screeners, and advanced alerts. For most active traders, this is a core LuxAlgo experience. But here's the catch. Premium stops at indicators and signals. It doesn't include the AI backtesting and automation features. The Ultimate plan takes the opposite approach. It includes everything from Premium plus AI strategy search, AI backtesting tools, automation inputs, and strategy building features designed for testing and refining systems. That makes it much more attractive for traders building systems instead of manually reading charts. The downside is cost. Ultimate is noticeably more expensive. So which plan is better? Choose Premium if you want signals, indicators, and standard trading view analysis tools. Choose Ultimate if you want AI backtesting, automation, and deeper strategy development. Bottom line, Premium is a better plan for most people because it delivers the main LuxAlgo experience at a lower cost. But if you're building algorithmic systems and want AI-assisted testing, Ultimate is where the extra money actually starts making sense. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.